Hi guys, this is Lesson-11 and welcome to Mala Institute Listening to. In this section you're going to watch a video and then answer the questions with yourselves. So let's begin the short clip.
Hello, who is it?
It's me, Bob.
Hey Bob, come on in. I've been waiting for you. Hi.
How are you?
I'm okay. I'm still a little bit sleepy. I haven't had my coffee yet.
I understand.
Do you want something to drink?
Do you have any fresh squeezed orange juice?
No, I'm out of orange juice. Would you like some grape juice?
Grape juice. That would be great.
Oh. Sorry. Out of grape juice, too.
That's too bad.
Have you had breakfast yet?
No, have you?
No, I haven't. Are you hungry?
Yes, I am. Let's go out and get something to eat.
Okay, that sounds good. My aunt has a breakfast shop near here.
Great, let's go there.
Okay, let's go.
Okay guys, so you watched the video and this is the questions section. The first question: who came to Albert's house? Of course, Bob came to Albert's house. The next one: was Albert sleepy? Yes, Albert was sleepy. What did Bob want to drink and what did Albert suggest? Bob wanted to drink a fresh squeezed orange juice and Albert suggested some grape juice. Did they have breakfast? No, they haven't. Where do they want to go? They decided to go to Albert's auntie's restaurant. That was all about the video and the questions, but do not forget to watch it once again, repeat the questions and as well as answer them properly. If you think you have learned something from the video, do not forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and for more and new videos do not forget to turn the notification on.